In this video, I'll show you how you can use signals using the MT5 5. Let's say you are part of a WhatsApp community or you are part of a Telegram community that shares signal every day. People make profit, but you tend to make loss, or like you tend not to partake at all. You are seeing money going just like that. Why? Because you tend not to understand how to use these signals. You have sent message to the signal provider but no respond, or this and that. So if you watch till the end of this video, you are going to know exactly how to use these signals that you receive on daily basis, whether it is forex signal, it is crypto, it is stock, or any financial market. You are going to be able to use them by the end of this video. So for this particular video, I'll be using a demo account to just illustrate this so you guys see. All right, so if you want to also practice this, you can check the link in the comment section to create your free demo account and follow along with me. So now let's say you receive a signal like this, all right, BTC USD buy, and also market order. You take profit, TP is there, the SL is there, and also you see manage your risk. I'll break down this step by step so you understand. The MT5 is completely free. All right, go to App Store or Google Play Store and install this, and watch my previous video how you can create and verify your Dave account and connect to the MetaTrader 5. The link is in the description, or check my playlist. Now, the pair is BTC USD, and they are asking you to buy. The first thing you need to do is go to your quotes and go to the chart icon here and add the pair. Search for BTC USD. That is the pair. All right, this can be any other pair at all. Just search for the pair. So that's why you need to use Deriv, and you create the standard account, because with the standard account, you notice here you can trade crypto, you can trade indices, you can trade stock, you can trade currencies, all on just this one account. So now, after you have added this one, the next thing you are now going to do is like they are asking you to buy BTC and the current market price. So all you need to do is like you tap here. You are seeing here trade, okay? You tap this trade. Now you are going to see this area. Now this is market execution. If you tap, you are going to see a lot of figures. But now, what do we mean by market execution? Market execution is just the same as instant order or market order. This means that you can enter for a buy trade now or a sell trade now. It means you are going to buy at the current market price, or you are going to sell. So in this case, the price of Bitcoin currently is 66,712. And the signal is saying we should enter at current market price, which means we should buy now. Okay, so you are seeing here stop loss, take profit. Now they send you your stop loss and take profit. So the stop loss here is 64,000. So you take off this one and enter 64,000. Take profit here, you enter what is being shared to you. So the take profit here is 70,000. Okay, then now you see here, this is the where you enter your lot size or your volume. Now most beginners tend to ask, but which lot size should I use? Like, this is what's up to you. This is up to your account size. The smallest lot size here in this case is going to be 0.01. okay, 0.01. Then you have entered. Make sure you confirm the stop loss, the take profit. Now they are asking you to buy. You can just press this one here, buy by market. Press now. You have used the signal. All right, if you tap this signal now, what is going to happen? You are seeing SL is 64,000. The one like you receive, TP is 70,000. The one also you receive. You are now in the trade. For you to confirm this one, you can also tap the trade and you go to chart. When you go to chart, you are going to see this. All right, you are also going to see this on the screen. You see your TP and SL. If you tap here, so your take profit here is 32.70 USD. It shows you the amount of profit you are going to make. All right, if the market move to this your price level, and this is the SL, you are going to lose $27. So now, why is it important to set SL? Now let's say you have like this 9,000 or 10,000 in your account. It means you are only going to be losing this 27.30. all right, instead of like you not using SL, you blow up your entire account. SL is for stop loss. Now another thing is like, you see manage your risk. What do they mean by manage your risk? Manage your risk entails like a lot of things, but people tend not to understand this. The first thing is like what? Manage your risk is like they are telling you to be careful with the lot size you are using. You can't be having $5, $10, or $20, $30, $50 account and you want to use big lot size. Now using 0.01, you see you are not losing that much, right? But if you decide, now let's say we close this trade and let's say we want to use 0.1, this lot size here, all right, this lot size here is very, very big. So you see, if you are losing, you are going to be losing very fast. That is what they are telling you. What? That is what they are telling you to manage what your risk. That's the first thing. The second thing manage your risk means is like what? Leverage. Leverage is the fund which is being borrowed to you by your broker. One of the good things about derivatives is like they automatically set the leverage for you, so you don't need to worry about leverage. But if you are using other brokers, you don't want to use high leverage, because high leverage means like you are going to make more profits if the trade is in your favor. If the trade is against you, you are also going to be losing cash as well. Another thing, again, they are asking you to do by managing your risk is like avoid stacking. What do I mean by stacking? Opening too many positions. Just because they ask you to buy does not mean like what? You open like too many positions like this. So you see, now we are losing what? $56. You can make more money, yes, but you can also lose like what? More money. So manage your risk means like what? You open like what? Check the lot size you are going to use, the leverage, and also what? Don't open too many accounts. Like you see, we are losing. All right, this is the reason, exact reason why I use what? The demo account to illustrate this. So now we are losing $200. So if you are having like 10, 30, 40, $50, you have blown up the account already. Okay, then another thing is manage your risk does not mean like just because I send you a setup or your mentor or your signal provider send you TP is 70,000, SL is what? 64,000. If you are now making profit, let's say price is at 67,000, you can still close. You don't need to wait to hit your take profit. Yes, you can wait to hit your take profit, but it's not like compulsory. If you know like here you are comfortable with that particular profit, let's say now if price reaches 70,000, you are going to make like what? $100. And now price is currently at let's say 65 and you are making $50. If you are comfortable, just close the trade, collect the $50 and close. Now you see we are losing what? $200, but now we are now in profit. But you will be out of the trade before what? They start playing already. Because if you are only losing, you will be losing like what? $1 or $2 from this trade. But because of you open too many positions, now you are what? Going to blow up the account, which means your balance is going to be zero. You have to go look for money again to deposit. That is the first thing. Another way they tend to send signal, let's say there is also a signal they send like you are not going to enter the trade now. So if you check these three dots here, you can close all positions all at once. Now another thing is like we have like signals that are pending orders, which means they are not telling you to buy now or to sell now. All right, so what do I mean by this? If they send you something like this that you are seeing on the screen, like they are saying BTC USD buy stop, so you need to study this pending orders. We have buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, sell limit. You can check my technical analysis playlist. I have already done a video about this. So now I'll just use one pending order, then you just follow the rest. So they say BTC USD buy stop, the price is 70,000, the take profit is 80,000, and the stop loss, and they also say manage your risk. So I've already explained about managing your risk. So you go down here, you add the pair. So we have already added like what? BTC. This can be any other pair. All right, so after that you tab. All right, you just press the pair, then you go to what? Trade. When you go to trade now, they are saying what? Buy stop order. So what do we mean by buy stop order? Buy stop order is like you are saying like, okay, yes, the market is currently buying, the price is currently at 66, but you don't want to enter for buying now. You want to wait for a specific price. If price continue to move up or increase, then you want to enter for your buy. So you tap this market execution. You don't want to enter now. You tap here. Now you are seeing here buy stop. All right, they can send you signal for buy limit. You select buy limit, sell stop, but for this one it is buy stop. So after you are done with the buy stop, you are going to see price, stop loss, and take profit. Okay, so now this price, the signal provider is going to send you price. So in this case, the price they send here is what? 70,000. So now the stop loss here is what? 64,000. All right, and the take profit is what? 80,000. You see, right? The take profit here is 80,000. So now you are, they say BTC USD buy stop. So you select the buy stop. You have entered what the price. This is your entry price. You are saying the price is currently at 66, but you don't want to enter for buy. You are going to wait till what? 70,000. When you enter at 70,000, you expect the price to move as high as 80,000 to take profit. If you enter at 70 and the market reverse, you want to go out at 64,000. Okay, you want to go after 64,000. So one thing you're going to notice, if you enter a wrong figure, this one is not going to be available for you to make. Just like I did, I mistakenly enter here 80,000, right? I mistakenly enter 80,000, which was the take profit. So I enter for the stop loss. So that's why. So if you enter here the correct digits, everything here, then you tap place. Now you already know about the lot size. Okay, so this is what the PR buy stop. Now you are not going to enter this market until the price of Bitcoin reaches 70,000. The lot size which you use is 0.1. You can change the lot size at any time. You can use 0.01 or so. So if the price reaches here, then you tap. You see there's already what take profit and stop loss here. So this is what you tend to do. This is how you set. Now if you might want to ask, what if the price fail to reach here? You can easily come to these three dots here and delete. Okay, so you can easily do this for volatility indices or any PI. Go to trade, then you select what? Buy limit, enter the price here, look at the stop loss, take profit, and you go ahead place. Hope like this video is helpful. If you do have any question, don't hesitate, drop them in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond within 24 hours. And also join my free Telegram group where I also share signals and other free resources on daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not, if you are interested in content like this as a complete beginner. Stay blessed, fam. Hope this video is helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate again, drop them in the comment section. I'm Joseph Said, the CEO and founder of Jersey Academy, Sierra Leone. Stay blessed.